Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talking about some things very important for your health, your gut. Your gut is like the engine of your body. If it works well, you feel full of energy, your mood is better and your digestion stays smooth. And the best way to take care of your gut is by eating the right breakfast every day. So in this video I will share with you 8 healthy breakfast ideas that are great for your gut. Number 1, overnight oats with yogurts. Oats are full of fibers and yogurt has probiotics, the good bacteria for your gut. When you mix them together, you get a creamy and filling breakfast. You can prepare it at night by soaking oats in milk or plant milk, and in the morning just add yogurts, fruits and a few nuts. It's tasty, healthy and perfect for your digestion. Number 2, whole grains toast with avocado. Whole grains breads give slow energy and fiber, and avocado adds healthy fats. This combination is not only good for your stomachs but also for your heart. Add a little lemon juice, salt and black peppers, and your gut friendly toast is ready. Number 3, chia seed pudding. Chia seeds are full of fiber and help your stomach stay clean and active. To make chia puddings, mix chia seeds with milk or almond milk and leave it overnight. In the morning, add honey, berries, or banana slice. Eat tasty sweets and keep your gut happy. Number 4, fruit and yogurt smoothies. Smoothies are quick and easy. Blend yogurts, bananas, and berries for a gut-friendly drink. Berries gives antioxidant, banana gives fibers, and yogurt gives probiotics. This is like a morning medicine in a glass, but delicious. Number 5, vegetable omelette. Eggs give proteins and vegetables give fiber. Together, they make a strong and healthy breakfast for your gut. You can add Spanish tomatoes, onions, or bell peppers. A vegetables omelette keeps your stomach light and your energy high. Number 6, fermented food like kimchi or sauerkraut with eggs or toast. Fermented foods are full of natural biotics. Eating the small protein of kimchi or sauerkraut with eggs or toast in the mornings can boost your gut's bacteria. This might sound different, but it is very powerful for your gut health. Number 7, nuts butters with bananas on whole grains bread. Peanut butter or almond butter has healthy fats and protein. When you spread it on whole grains bread and add banana slice, you get a gut-friendly breakfast. It quick, tasty, and full of nutrients. Number 8, warm porridge with berries and seeds. Warm porridge is comforting and easy to digest, and flax seeds and pumpkin seeds and top with fresh berries. Seeds gives fibers and omega-3, and berries keeps your digestion smooth. This is a perfect breakfast for your cold morning. So friends, these we are 8 healthy breakfast ideas for your happy gut. Remember, your gut health affects your whole bodies, your digestions, your mood, even your skins. When you choose the right breakfast, you are not only feeding your stomachs but you are also giving energy to your mind and body. Try these recipes one by one and see which is your favorites. And do not forget, drink enough waters, eat slowly and enjoy your foods. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next videos and stay healthy, stay happy.